scary loud. It's loud enough to where it makes your heart stop for a second.
People in a Louisville neighborhood are looking for the source of a house-shaking experience. Over the past week, we have received several emails from people in Louisville about loud booms that were shaking all of the homes in the neighborhood.
Yeah, and this is just a head shaker itself. 10 News reporter Jim Matheny joins us. Right now, there are not a lot of answers about what those booms are, right, Jim?
Yeah, John, and that unknown, the lack of any reasonable explanation, it has people who live in that neighborhood really rattled. On a quiet, sunny afternoon at the Lashbrooke subdivision, you wouldn't guess this neighborhood suffers from shell shock.
I mean, it was like, it makes your heart stop for a second. Like, it's so loud, it's a noise that's like alive in the house.
The mysterious booms gave Andy Wombold and his entire neighborhood its first rude awakening about a week and a half ago.
2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, all of a sudden we heard a loud explosion. It sounded like it came from our house. Like, it shook the walls, it shook the floor, it shook the ceiling. Maybe a gas line or something had exploded and our house was going to blow up. I mean, we thought it was really serious.
Like a big boom, like a big sonic boom.
Dwayne Jones is one of about a dozen neighbors we spoke with who echoed Wombold's story.
It started about a week and a half ago, I guess. Just the whole house shakes. I've never heard anything like it. I thought maybe it was, lightning or thunder or something. And when I walked outside and, the stars, and there wasn't a cloud in the sky, so I figured it wasn't that. And the ground was kind of shaking.
Blount County deputies checked the scene and couldn't find any rock quarries blasting. We checked with the National Guard, but there were also no military exercises to cause the booms. And TVA says it had no problems with the power lines in the neighborhood. But neighbors say the booms kept sending a charge through the area for several days.
Just in the middle of the night and in the morning, just all different times.
Be sure to lock your doors because who knows where that noise is coming from.
Yeah, really. I mean, we called the USGS. There are no earthquakes anywhere in the area. Also talked to TDOT, says there was no nearby construction projects, and it's also hard to investigate right now because neighbors say there really had not been many booms this week. So if you have a theory that I guess doesn't include military or TVA or anything else, we'd love to hear it, John and Robin, because right now they're really at a loss.
What a head scratcher.
Yeah, it is.
And it has to be so frustrating for the folks there going, what is up here? All right. Jim, thanks for sharing the mystery with us.